In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy or sell Robinhood stock using the Robinhood web browser platform. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Robinhood account on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're using a secure and private internet connection and that all your credentials are entered correctly. Once you're in, you'll notice the main dashboard where you can access your portfolio and explore different stocks. If you're looking to trade shares of Robinhood itself, you can easily locate it by heading to the search bar, which is usually found at the top side of your dashboard. Simply type in the ticker symbol HOOD and you'll see Robinhood Markets, Inc. pop up in the drop-down list. Click on it and you'll be taken straight to the detailed page containing current market data, charts, and your trading options. Now, if you're ready to make a move, look for the trade button. This is where you decide if you want to buy shares or, if you already own some, sell them. After selecting either buy or sell, the platform will prompt you to enter the amount you wish to transact. You can enter either a specific number of shares or a dollar amount. Choose whichever suits your investing style. Once you've put in your desired number or amount, don't forget to review your order details carefully before you hit submit. This step gives you a clear summary, so you can double check everything is just the way you want it. If you prefer a little more control over the price at which your order executes, you can set a limit order instead of a market order. To do this, simply click on the order type drop-down menu, then choose Limit. Enter the maximum price you're willing to pay when buying or the minimum price you're willing to accept when selling. After entering your price, just submit the order and Robinhood will execute your trade only if the stock reaches that price. For a better understanding of how the stock price is moving, you might want to look at its performance over different time periods. To do this, click on the Chart tab. Here, you can switch views between 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or even a year. This feature can help you notice trends or spot patterns that might influence your trading decisions. And if you'd like to keep a closer eye on Robinhood's stock for the future, you can easily add it to your watch list. Just click the plus add to list button and it will be saved alongside your other favorites for quick access later on. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to search for Robinhood stock, trade it confidently, monitor its price movements, and keep it on your radar for future opportunities. Thanks for watching and happy investing.